What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon, where we look at the best tools to make your home life easier. Today, we're diving into the Triplezon EM316 handheld steam cleaner, a versatile powerhouse that is designed to take the stress out of your deepest cleaning chores. If you're tired of scrubbing for hours, you are going to love this. Let's get started. The Triplezon EM316 is more than just a basic cleaner. It is a complete solution for those stubborn messes we all deal with. It features an impressive 500 milliliter water tank, which is quite large for a handheld unit. Once you fill it up, it heats up incredibly fast, taking only 3 to 5 minutes to reach its full potential. When it is ready, it blasts out high-pressure steam at a blistering 230 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat is perfect for melting away grease, dirt, and dust from almost any surface in your home. You get about 10 to 15 minutes of continuous cleaning time, which is plenty of duration to handle a kitchen or a bathroom in one session. One of the best parts about this kit is that it comes with a comprehensive 16-piece accessory set. This variety means the Triplezon EM316 is ready for just about anything. You can swap out the attachments to reach into tight corners, refresh your bedroom curtains, or even clean the upholstery in your car. It is even gentle enough to use on clothing and leather goods. Whether you are tackling the grime on your stove or the soap scum in your shower, there is a specific tool included to make the job easier. A standout feature that really improves the user experience is the upgraded automatic steam function. Unlike older models where you have to constantly hold down a trigger, this innovation allows you to clean without manual pressure. This makes the process much more ergonomic and comfortable, especially if you have a lot of surfaces to cover. It really reduces the strain on your hands and wrists, making deep cleaning feel like much less of a workout. Safety and durability are also front and center with the Triplezon EM316. It is constructed from high-temperature resistant material that provides excellent heat insulation, so you can work confidently without worrying about the device getting too hot to hold. Plus, since it relies entirely on the natural power of steam, it is a completely chemical-free way to clean. This makes it an ideal choice for families with small children, curious pets, or anyone who is sensitive to the harsh smells and residues of traditional cleaning products. To make things even better, it comes with a 16.4-foot power cord, so you can move around freely without having to constantly switch outlets. Cleaning your home shouldn't feel like a chore that never ends. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deals on this amazing tool. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more helpful home gadgets, make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.